Okay, so the heater is not on. Remove this. And inside here, the pilot light is gone. There's no light. You see in there? There's a pilot light. Okay. So now we have to turn on the pilot light. So to turn on the pilot light, turn this one to off. And then turn this one to pilot. Okay? So you know when you turn it to the pilot, you can push this button. If it's on, you cannot push this button. So when you put this one here, you can push a button. So you have to push a button, and then when you turn on with the light, the gas will be on, but you have to hold this one down. So we need to press both the pilot red button and the igniter on the right to light up. If not, we have to use we need to use a long fire stick or lighter to turn it on. You should hold it for 1 minute and it'll stay lit. So if after many tries and it doesn't hold the pilot light, it keeps turning off, we may have to change the thermocouple. This one's only $10. Just pull the old one out and push the new one in. Make sure it's straight and the same side.